नमस्ते एवरीवन, वेलकम टू योगा विथ यदुवीर। आज का हमारा जो सेशन होने वाला है वो ओवरऑल टोटल बॉडी फ्लो, पूरी बॉडी का फ्लो वेट लॉस के लिए होने वाला है। सो कम जॉइन मी, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Sit comfortable in a meditative posture. Adopt chin mudra. Take deep inhale and exhale and just relax yourself. Relax your body, relax your mind. Shoulder relax and forehead relax. Detach yourself from outside world and just come to the present moment only. Slowly observe the surroundings. Try to connect with the nature and bring your awareness towards the nostril. Feel the slow inhalation and exhalation. And join your hand in front of your chest. One Omkara inhale. Rub your palms, place on your eyes, open your eyes and look at your palms. Interlock your finger, both the hands up, stretch your hands, stretch your leg muscles, exhale down. One more time, inhale up, stretch your body, stretch up as much as you can and stay. Be with the stretch, exhale, both hands down, release. One more time, interlock your fingers, stretch your body up and this time bend towards the right side. Feel the stretch on the left side. Inhale, come to the center and exhale other side. Beautiful. Be with the stretch. Inhale up and exhale. Release your hand down. Just relax. Take few breaths. Inhale. Take both hands shoulder level. Drop your right hand right side. Stretch your body towards the right side. Beautiful. Feel the stretch on the left side. Inhale one more time, come to the center and exhale, bend towards the left side this time. Feel the stretch on the right side. Inhale center and exhale down. Put your both hand in front of the chest. Put left hand on the right knee, right hand back and look back. Inhale center, this time right hand on the left knee and left hand back, look back. Inhale center and exhale down. Both hands sidewise and push the hip front, drop the head back, stretch your body up, hip up, exhale down. One more time, stretch your body up, take the hip up. Yes, drop the head back, stay here, stretch your body as much as you can and exhale down. Beautiful. Slowly straighten the knees, both the legs straight. Inhale, take both hands up, stretch your body up and exhale, bend forward, bend from the lower back. Try to catch your toes. Inhale, both hands up, one more time, come up. And exhale, bend forward. Slowly, with every exhalation, go deep and deep. Inhale and exhale. Feel the hamstring muscle, glute muscle and calf muscle. Inhale and exhale. Slowly come on your knees, stand on your knees. Take both hands up. Inhale, arch back, stretch your body back. Exhale, bend forward, head towards the mat. Open your both hands like aeroplane. Inhale one more time, come up, stretch back, arch back and hold it this time. Arch more and more, push your hip front. Drop your head back. Exhale, bend forward, head towards the mat, open your both hands. Yes, just calm yourself. Inhale one more time, arch back, and this time put the right hand on the right heel. Take the arch with the left hand. Push the hip front. Excellent. Stay here. Inhale, take both hands up, and this time left hand on the left heel. Push the hip front and drop the head back. Stay here. Just enjoy the stretch. One more time, take both hands up, and this time put first right hand on the right heel, left hand on the left heel. Push the hip front and drop the head back and hold it. Yes, feel the lower stomach. Inhale, exhale, normal breathing here. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale, drop your head. Your hand should directly under your shoulder. Your knee should under your hip. Cat and cow pose. Inhale. Take the chin up. Stretch your body. Push the belly down. Squeeze the stomach. Exhale, touch your chin to the collarbone. One more time. Inhale up. And exhale, touch your chin to the collarbone. Hunch back. Feel the whole spine. From here, take the right hand out and left leg out. Stretch your body up and up. Take the left leg up as much as you can. Exhale down. Change your hand and leg. This time right leg, left hand. Up, up, up. Stretch and exhale down. One more time with the right hand and left leg. Take the both hand and leg up, toe pointed out, and stretch your body. 5, 4, 3, stay, 2 and 1 down. Change your hand and leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, come on, stay, and last one down. Excellent. Now catch your left leg with the right hand. Take the right leg up and stretch your body up, chin up. Stretch more and more. Stay here and exhale down. Change your leg. Yes, right leg, left hand. Stretch your body up as much as you can and exhale down. Beautiful. Slowly come to mountain pose, Parvatasana. Press your shoulder down. Try to touch your heel on the mat. Slowly give the small movement on your leg. Right leg, then left leg, and right and left. Stretch your hamstring and glute. Stretch your calf muscle and jump forward. Hastpadasana. Press your body down. Open your hand and arch back. Join your hand and arch back. Stay here and breathe. Exhale and bend forward. Yes, catch your toe, push your body down. Inhale one more time, come up, give a gentle and nice stretch. Open your hand and bring it together. Arch back. Yes, arch more and more. Stay here and exhale, bend forward, catch your toes, push your body down. Both hands on the mat. Yes, stay and breathe and jump back. Come to Dandasana. Slowly go down Chaturanga and stretch your body in Bhujang. Yes, toe pointed out. Slowly from Bhujang we'll come to Shashankasana, child pose, and give it relax. Inhale, come up. From Shashank directly come to Bhujang one more time. Stretch and relax. Release all the tension, all the worries. And one more time, go to Shashankasana. Release all the tension. Find your breath. You're doing very nice today. Slowly come down. Yes, Chaturanga. And stretch in Bhujang. Hold it. 3, 2, stretch more and more. Chin up, squeeze glutes. And 1, slowly go to Parvatasana, downward dog position. Try to touch your heel on the mat. Take the right leg up in the sky and place in between the palms. Slowly take the left toe out. Yes, 90 degree in between knee and thigh. And Veerbhadrasana 2. Stay here. Stay strong. Very nice. Stay here. And release all the tension, all the worries. Just stay here in Veerbhadrasana 2. Slowly join your left hand with the right hand and both hands together. Arch back. Veerbhadrasana 1. Stay here. Yes, arch more and more. Shoulders straight. Slowly put the right hand on the right side, left hand down. Parshvkonasana. Your leg and hand should be in one line. Yes, slowly both hands on the mat, head towards the knee and stretch your body. Stay here. With every exhalation, go deep and deep. Take the right leg back. Come to Dand, Chaturanga, toe pointed out and Bhujang. Slowly from Bhujang to mountain. This time take the left leg up in the sky and placed in between the legs. Right toe out and Veerbhadrasana 2. Other half we are going. Same thing. Veerbhadrasana 2. Stay strong and just breathe. Join right with the left and arch back. Veerbhadrasana 1. Come on, you are doing very good. Release all the tension, all the pressure. And stretch your body. Put the left hand down and this time right hand straight. Your leg and hand should be in one line. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Both hands on the mat. Stretch your left leg. Head towards the knee. Release all the tension and pressure. Take the left leg back. Come to Dand and go to Chaturanga. Toe pointed out and Bhujang. Stretch your chin up. Squeeze glute. Mountain. Slowly jump forward and take the both legs straight. From here, right leg on the left thigh. Inhale, both hands up and exhale, bend forward. Try to touch your forehead on the knee. Stretch your body down. Stay here and release all the tension. Release all the tension from your left leg. Inhale, both hands up. Right leg straight and fold your left leg. Put the left leg on the right thigh. Exhale, bend forward. Catch your right toe. Release all the tensions. Stay strong. Push more and more with the exhalation. And straight your both the legs. Come to Malasana pose. Yes. Push the knees with your elbows. Give the pressure on your pelvic part. Open more and more. Inhale, both hands up. Come to the standing posture. Exhale, one more time, we'll go to Malasana. Yes, press out the knee with the elbows, give the pressure on the pelvic muscles and stay here. Do it like a meditation. Release all the tension. Slowly come down, lie down on your back, lie down completely. Take both the legs up and alternate leg rise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and come to Naukasana. Yes, focus on the core muscles, stay strong. Exhale down, lie down on your back. Open your legs and put the right knee on the left heel. Inhale up. Put the left knee on the right heel. Look opposite side. One more time. Inhale up. Exhale. Right knee on the left heel. Look opposite side and inhale. Left knee on the right heel. Look opposite side. Inhale. Take both the toe. Catch your both the toes and give small movements. Baby pose. Feel the pressure on your pelvic muscle. Stay here and feel the relaxation. These are all the relaxing asana. Hug your both the knee. Do rocking forward. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Lie down in Savasana. Open your hands and legs and just be with your breath. You did a fantastic job. Now Savasana is the most important asana. Without any thoughts, just focus on your breath and release all the tensions, all the worries, all the fear and all the uncertainty. Just surrender yourself towards God or nature. With every exhalation, empty yourself. Slowly, legs together, stretch your body from head to toe. Bend your left knee, turn towards the right side and come to the sitting posture. Namaskar. Thank you so much for joining me and I will meet you on next Sunday. Next Sunday हमारा जो सेशन होगा वो होगा योगा इज बेटर देन जिम. सो उसमें जो आसन और फ्लो है वो थोड़ा हार्ड होने वाला है. सो आई विल मीट यू ऑन नेक्स्ट संडे. Let's be together.